There is no mana in rage. There is mana in restraint.
Do you accept responsibility for what's happened in the party over the last 6 weeks as co-leader?
I was raised, we've been ahika forever. When we fall out, we can't go too far from the marae. We've got to mend our fences and bang into each other all the time. If you really want to raise a take, and no matter how heavy or light, you sit down face to face, you have a cup of tea, you have it out, you do whatever. When you choose not to do that, you're not choosing to help that movement. You've made a decision. So the last 6 weeks, we as leaders made a decision based on preparing us for 2026. I back the decisions we've made. I don't support and I don't recognise this āhua of choosing not to sit down with us.
Some would say that they felt unsafe.
It doesn't matter what the excuse is. There's always a way to navigate around that. You could go anyway. We've got 1,000 ways. You can do it online if you have to. You could do it through Zoom. But the reality is that wasn't chosen. Our belief has been that there is no mana in rage. There is mana in restraint. And the last 6 weeks, we have done everything we can do to show restraint and respect.
Ka tahi te kōrero pai. Hoi no me mātaki koe i te katoa. Haere ki te YouTube o Arataua podcast katoa, kei reira e tatari ana ki a koe. Doits!